This is something I discovered on a LinkedIn profile today, and you might not even be aware that this feature has changed. This is Brenda Meller helping you to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. Let me show you what I discovered. So if you scroll down into your profile, there's a couple different sections that you can enable, one of which is called featured, where there's this side carousel that you can click through. You can see my mouse off to the right here, and you can see different items on here. Now, typically when you go to your post section, which is listed as activity, you're going to see at the bottom it says show all posts, which when you click on, it will open up in another web page, and then you can navigate to see those posts. So let me show you this right now. When I click on show all posts, it takes me to an activity feed where I can see my posts, my comments, videos, images, etc. And then I would simply have to scroll down vertically to see all the different posts. Now, today I discovered this, and this might have been one of these things that LinkedIn snuck in without telling us. It may have been here for a while, but if I'm just discovering it for the first time, there's a good chance that you may not be aware of it as well. Similar to the featured section, there's a new carousel button off to the right-hand side in your activity section. So you can see here this little button, and when I click on it, now instead of going to another page to navigate and to see what I've posted, or if I'm visiting someone's profile, what they've posted, I can simply click on this button. Operates similar as a carousel or a document post where you click on it and it continues to scroll off to the right. Now, I find this really interesting because it can help with navigation. And technically, I guess this would count as a profile view if we're sitting on this page and navigating through here. So at any rate, I found the feature interesting, and I thought that you might find it interesting as well. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notifications for future videos about LinkedIn features like these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.